welcome back to Sushma's Vlogs. I think by seeing my happiness, you may be knowing by now. What's that? I got a big love from India. This is the one. Sorry, let me lift it. So this is the love from India. From my parents, from my in-laws, from my sister-in-law, cousins, everyone. So today I am gonna unbox this big parcel from India to you. I mean, like, to me in Australia. So I wanna share this big unpacking to you guys. Okay, let's see this box. What's there in this box? Okay, before proceeding to the video, I just want to show you how big is this box, how much love from India. I'm just eagerly waiting for this package from many days, and finally I got it today. And before getting to me this one, this has gone to multiple places and finally reached here. And to my knowledge and what it is shared into the FedEx, it's traveled to many places and finally reached here. So everyone's luggage is also seen. So I felt it's more. That's why. And today I wanted to show you all the things inside this. This big love from India. Oh, you guys, I thought like it will come tomorrow because I missed receiving in the morning, because by the time the courier uncle knocked the door, so I was busy with the office call and I could not pick his call or the door. So he left me a note and left for returning back to the airport. So I mean to say, like, they asked me to come to collect to the airport, or else they will do tomorrow or day after tomorrow the same parcel. But it went a little bit of hassle, like 2 hours or 3 hours. I just requested them, it's just a minute. I just immediately saw it and then I just called them, and then they, on the note whatever they give the address, I just called them. They told like, okay, fine, we will try to message the driver who gives you the parcel to send to you by today itself. So I requested them. So by God's grace, I don't know, I got it by the same day. I don't expect this. Suddenly he knocked my door at 5:30 and then he gave me. That's it. That's a surprise, right? I felt it very happy by seeing this parcel. I feel like I can feel my mama's love, my in-laws love, my sister-in-law's love, all of them's love. So yeah, really, I really feel very happy when I get a small parcel from India or from anyone, a small gift also from anyone. Excited is like, I stay very far away from the city. Getting parcel in the place where I am staying is very difficult. So it's not like that difficult, but it's difficult because like once we miss a parcel, we have to go to the collection points or anything. I have faced it multiple times. So that's why I stay like very far from the city. So whenever I get such kind of parcels and if I miss, I'll be like more dull. But when I get it back, this is the first time I got it back immediately on the same day. So that's why I was so excited. As I requested, they listened to my things and they bought it on the same day. I was very thankful to that uncle because like he came after his working hours. It's like after, normally they start work in the early morning at 6 to 7 o'clock, but they wind up by 3:30 to 4 o'clock. But as I requested, because of my negligence, as I requested them, he came back and gave me on the same day. I'm very happy to him. I'm very happy to that uncle. I don't know his name, but I'm very thankful to him. parcel is in front of me. I try to cut it in the video in recording, but it's so tough. I don't know, somehow they made it very tightly. So see, even I broke this one, everything. See, these are all the things I got it from India. And last time also some of them asked me like, from where did you get the couriers? How much did they charge and everything? So stay tuned. In the end of the video, I'll tell from where I have done the courier, how much did they charge to me, and how many kilos is this and all. Let's get started into the unboxing. So the first thing when I started opening is what I got is it. This is from, this is in Telugu. It's JC Brothers. So this is a JC Brothers cover, and I got this is my husband's dress. It's a traditional dress. I bought it for him. And some of them in this, I know it because like whatever I know them, whatever like I used to order from here, from Amazon or Myntra or Nykaa, to my parents' place or my in-laws' place, and then they'll collect all together and then they'll courier it to me. And last time also some of them asked me like, is it like, are they allowing food? To that question, yes, they are allowing food here actually, but those foods should be like without nuts and all. So such kind of foods I got in this parcel. I'll show them. And this is the second one. This is from South India shopping mall. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so crazy things. I couldn't show. These are all my blouses for the sarees, whatever I had previously. I'll just show you a sample one, okay? I just fold every blouse in reversing, because if suppose something work I make, it will go bad, so that's why. So whenever I just wear something, sarees or all anything, you can see. That's why I just wanted to show you before only. So this is the one blouse. All, I think my mama has kept all the blouses. This is all the blouses in one place. So that's how I got these all multiple blouses for sarees, everything. And out of all, this is the new one. This is the new blouse. See, it's a new fashion, and here they made one small bow kind. See, and this is a new fashion blouse. This is a new saree for me. I'll just show you that saree also. Oh my god, I couldn't control in seeing this. I really love this. This is very tasty. This is called Chakinalu in Telugu, and this is made by my mother-in-law, and this tastes awesome, and it will be so crunchy. Yummy. I told you right, they are allowing food items. It's so tasty. I'm putting it aside. This is the one more big parcel. What are these? Oh wow! These are all the t-shirts. I bought it for Chendu and Aditya. I'll open some of them. Okay? This is one t-shirt. 2. I got from Myntra. 2, 3. This is my t-shirt actually. 3. 4. All polo t-shirts. This is from Alan Soli. This is also for Chandra Kant. This one also. And this one also. See? All are Alan Solis. And this is one more bag. So I have some sari petticoats, and these are all the some sari petticoats and all everything. And some of them are some, hey, yeah, some beautiful dress. This is the rustic beautiful dress. I got it from India. See, this is from Fashion Library from Instagram store. And yay, this is an awesome dress. I told this is a trending dress nowadays. This brownish one with full hands like this. This is also I bought from Fashion Library from Instagram store. This is very nice cotton, yeah, very beautiful. Actually, this dress is very beautiful. I just wanted to buy multiple products from them. See how beautiful is this dress, full colorful. And this is one more gown. This is one more palazzo. No, this is not palazzo. This is hey, this is jumpsuit. See, one more jumpsuit. I got it. And these are all the remaining color petticoats. Let's see what are there in this bag. Wow, some beautiful bangles and some puja samagri. Yeah, full suit puja samagri and all. Yay, this is one more bag. Cute. This is one beautiful saree. And don't worry, this is one more beautiful one saree. Do you think it's saree? No. See, this is a beautiful dress from SNS Collections. I think her name is Bolishetty Neeraja. Oh my god, she's so good and she made awesome. Really, I bought from her many days ago, but finally it came to me today. Very nicely stitched. I'll add it her page here. You can see. She made a wonderful dress for me. I just asked her to customize the things and also how beautiful is this color. It's a long frock. See, that's very beautiful. You can talk to her. She'll make you whatever you have the requirements. She'll design it to you. Nice. Thanks, Neeraja. And if you're seeing my channel, see, I liked it. Thank you. These are all my sarees, my old sarees. I got it back now. And this is, I don't know, it's so over. I forgot what is this. Oh, I ordered a dress. This is also from SNS Fashions. Not SNS, this is from I forgot. This is from online store. Again, some more sarees. I'll show the main saree. And this is, and the other one is this. These are the chitties. See? Awesome one. This is called bundi mitai. We call it in our place. It's called as bundi mitai. Ooh. One more pickle. This is special mango pickle. This is tomato pickle. And these are these things like I can make myself the muruku and all everything. So this is the machine my mama has bought for me. Hey, this is one more parcel. Hey, what's there inside it? It's nice and it's fully packed. I'm not seeing anything. Yeah, the same thing, the same muruku. There's one more box. This is Kaju Katli. I think it's Kaju Katli, I think so. It's written on the box like that. But this is not the Kaju Katli. Oh my god. What do you know this one? See? It's the special Kaju. Awesome. It's badam barfi. Made at home. Yummiest. Yummiest. One more. These are the sweets. It's called Sitapal sweet. Awesome. Really fantastic. Sorry guys, after seeing the sweets, I couldn't control myself, so I just paused and then ate at least 2 sweets. Now I am opening the box. Oh, celebrations. Misty Bhandar. Oh my god. You know what is this one? It's called Kaju Mithai. Isn't it awesome? That's really nice. Hello. By eating this, I'll put on my weight again. It's so nice. And this is the last but not the least. But this is also again sweets. So looking awesome. These are smelling very great. What are these? Oh my god, all homemade ladoos. This is still ladoo. Really awesome. And out of all these things, I like this one a lot. This is awesome. This still ladoo. I can't tell. It's so tasty. This is very energetic, made with jaggery, till full of iron. Jaggery is also iron, and some ilachi, I think so. This is strong with taste. Very nice. I can't really express my feeling. It's very nice. Really nice. Thank you guys for watching my channel, and thanks a lot for watching this video. And in the last, I'll add the person's number, my cousin's number, who can help you out in this couriers. So you can contact him and he will help you out. Normally I thought like nowadays food is not coming to Australia. Many people also even think the same, but I can tell you food is coming. This is made of till, and remaining food items whatever I showed all made of with nuts. So I thought like they're not allowing nuts. Yes, they are allowing nuts. I think so. If the nuts are made where the sweet. So I got these all things. If you want, you also can try the same courier, and you also can enjoy the same love from India, from your parents or from wherever, from your loved ones. You also can enjoy the same love from your loved ones. So happy unboxing. Enjoy your time. Have a good day. And let me complete this laddu. Oh my god, this is so tasty.